Good afternoon. My name is Hasnaian Yousufazi, and as you can see that I have started to cut out the layout on my microfiber cloth. This is a thick cloth. It's used for cleaning glasses, and I found it suitable for this function because of its structure and its thickness. I'm going to cut an old cotton t-shirt, and this layer is going to be the inner layer of the mask. Next, I'm going to use super glue and needle and a wire to stitch the first layer of the mask. I'm going to stitch it from top and bottom, and to make it separately stitched, it's because not to make holes in the inner layer. I'm going to glue the wire. It is similar to an electrical wire. It has metal inside, so it's going to be useful for adjusting the mask to the nose. After sticking the nose adjusting wire, I'm going to install my final layer of cotton cloth to the inside of the mask. I'm using mostly glue at this stage because I don't want to make needle holes in the final layer of the mask. I'm adjusting my inner layer, the length of it, as I continue. The reason I chose only super glue at this stage is because I have to make sure I make no holes in the final layer of the mask. Next, I will stitch the two elastic bands on the edges of my mask to make sure that these edges will be in contact with my face, and these stitch points will not sabotage the mask.